Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be going over if you haven't been getting results in your business, I'm going to be revealing to you in this video why you are not. So pay very close attention, as this may be one of the most important affiliate marketing videos that you ever watch. If this is your first time here and you're watching this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So by now you probably have been seeing a lot of affiliate marketing offers being promoted out there. You've seen a lot of different business opportunities, network marketing opportunities that you can possibly see out there, marketed from very different people. And there's just so much to choose from. But regardless of whether you're in network marketing, whether you're in affiliate marketing, or you've never built a business online before, no matter what opportunity that you're promoting, there's one thing that's very clear. And that is, if you don't know how to market that opportunity that you're promoting, it doesn't matter how great the opportunity is, you're not going to get results with it. And something that I've been seeing happen again and again is there's people that will sign up for these different business opportunities. There will be people that get involved in positioning themselves in this different offers that are out there right now. And what ends up happening is they invest so much money into these offers, into these opportunities, that they get left high and dry by the person that signed them up. And the person that they signed up under is not giving them the help that they need. It's something that I've been seeing time and time again over the years that I've been in this industry, and it's something that I've gotten fed up with it. I'm tired of seeing people spend so much money, investing so much money into these different marketing opportunities that they're not getting the help that they need. And to tell you the truth, a lot of these people that are top earners in these different marketing offers that are out there right now, they really don't care about helping you. They may say that they do, but they really don't. Now, I'm not saying that every single one of them is like that, but there's a lot of them out there that are. And it's something that I don't stand for. I don't ever intend to do that to you or to other people that sign up under me, which is why I'm creating these videos so that I have the best intentions of actually helping you out and succeeding with affiliate marketing or whatever business that you're promoting. So let me go ahead and give you a formula for you to follow. And it goes like this. Desire plus skill multiplied by faith equals results. Now you may want to get out a sheet of paper and write that down. Desire plus skill multiplied by faith equals results. Now let's get into the first part of this equation, desire. This is where you need to have that drive to actually go ahead and start building something for yourself for the long term. If you don't have that drive, if you don't have that desire to succeed, nothing else is going to matter. Desire is the starting point of what it takes to become successful in this industry. Now, when you have that desire genuinely there, then what you want to move on to next is developing the skill. Now, you found this great opportunity that has the potential for you to get a lot of results with, make a ton of money with. Okay, great. But what if you don't know how to market that system, how to market that opportunity? This is where you need to learn the skill sets of what it takes to market that opportunity in order to get results. Now, how did you develop those skill sets? By getting coaching and mentorship from those that are teaching what works, that are not just teaching out of theory. There's a lot of them out there that are teaching a lot of different strategies that don't actually work. You want to find a coach. You want to get coaching and mentorship from that coach or coaches so that you can start implementing what works and what will get you results. So once you have desire and once you have those skill sets developed, you got to back those two up with faith. How do you demonstrate faith? By taking action and staying consistent and believing and trusting in the process that it's going to work. Now you can have desire and the skill sets in place, but if you don't back that up with faith, it doesn't matter how motivated you are, how inspired you are on a given day. It doesn't matter if you've learned all these different skill sets and are very knowledgeable about it. If you don't take action, if you don't demonstrate consistency in taking action, and you don't believe that it's going to work, nothing else is going to matter. So you need these three components in place in order to get results in whatever it is that you're marketing. So have the desire, develop the skill sets, back those two up with faith by taking action, staying consistent, and believing and trusting in the process. That's all going to work out. You do those three things consistently on a regular basis, you will be well on track to getting results in whatever business that you're promoting. I trust you got a ton of value out of this video, and if you're curious to know what is it that you can do starting right now to start working towards achieving your dreams, this is what I would like you to do. There will be a link down below in the video description for my #1 recommendation for achieving your dreams. I want you to click on that link, grab your free key to unlock your dreams, opt in with your best name and email. You'll be redirected to a brilliant video presentation on how you can go ahead and start achieving the lifestyle of your dreams by getting involved in this system that is absolutely incredibly amazing. But you cannot actually see what the video presentation is all about if you don't click on the link below and grab your free key right now. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and do that as soon as possible. Actually start doing that right now. Get positioned as soon as possible so that you can start achieving the dreams that you know you absolutely deserve. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.